Hello, welcome to this presentation on astronomy in the Earth's age. First, does astronomy prove that the Earth is relatively young? There are many things about the solar system that make long-term evolution theories an unlikely solution to the universe's beginnings. Also, a biblically based view um, tends to make more sense for how our extremely unique universe came into existence. Reasons to doubt long evolutionary theories. First one is the Jovian problem, which creates a difficulty for the nebula theory. The nebula theory basically says that gas and dust clouds came together and formed Jupiter. But according to this theory, the speed at which Jupiter formed doesn't really bode well for this theory of how all that gas and dust was able to come together and form Jupiter. Also, Venus's surface looks very young, despite the fact that it's the same age as about as the Earth's. There are theories that claim that the youthfulness of Venus's surface is due to a uh, jolt of energy that was like interjected into Venus early on in its come to being. Um, Also, there's various moons of Jupiter that have some very unusual features. Um, Features like having a magnetic field when it most likely should not, or it doesn't make sense to have one. Um, Being geologically active, having active volcanoes when those volcanoes should have been become extinct by now after all the years supposedly that it these well, that the universe has been evolving. And then also there are moons like Io that looks very young. Um, of course, this also has some volcanic activity that explains that youthfulness. But at the same time, that volcanic activity still being active, um, it's hard to be explained by through with the millions or billions of years theories. And also the moon of Saturn Enceladus, which has like active geysers spewing liquid, um, which supposedly based on the age of this moon, this moon should have long been basically cold and dead and run out of energy by now, but yet it's still spewing from these geysers. And there's reasons to believe in intelligent design theories. First, there's the difficulty of this vast and diverse universe just evolving by random chance over millions or billions of years. Um, think of even with all these moons that were previously mentioned, all the diverseness there, then there's just the planets in general, all the diversity. Or there's the option that there was a creator of the universe that designed this whole universe and had a grand plan to unfold over time. This seems to be the more logical solution. Okay, so to conclude, well, obviously it is necessary to have faith for um, either way in which you believe a person believes that the universe came to be, whether you believe that it was gradually over a long period of time, everything just evolving into existence from basically nothing, or whether there was a god or some being that created the universe and had in his plan little evolutions that would take place throughout time. Then there's also the potential serious consequences for not believing in the theory that has the creator. Because in that plan, it involves the biblical worldview, which teaches a afterlife where it's either paradise or basically torment. Whereas if you're believing in the just evolutionary creation of the universe, um, once you're no longer gone, you're either just cease to exist, or maybe you come back as something else. So it seems pretty clear to me what the better choice is to believe. Thank you for listening to this presentation.